Exploring public art, more than just a phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that blends language with culture: public art. You might have come across this phrase in your readings or conversations, and today, we're going to understand what it truly means. So, let's embark on this artistic journey. Public art consists of two words, public and art. Public. This refers to things that are open or available to everyone, rather than private or restricted. Art. A diverse range of human activities that express or portray creativity, imagination, or technical skill. When we combine these two words, we get the term public art, which refers to artworks that are displayed in public spaces, available for everyone to see and enjoy. Public art can be found in various forms. Here are some common examples. Sculptures and statues. Large figures made of metal, stone, or other materials that stand in parks, squares, or streets. Murals. Large paintings directly on walls, often showcasing historical events, important figures, or cultural stories. Fountains. While they serve a decorative purpose, many fountains are designed with artistic intent, making them a blend of art and utility. Installations. These can be temporary or permanent, and they are usually unique, interactive, or thought-provoking pieces that transform a space. Public art is more than just decoration. It 1. Enhances community identity. It showcases what's unique about a community's history, people, and culture. 2. Provokes thought. Many public art pieces challenge viewers to think about important issues or see the world in a new way. 3. Encourages civic engagement. It often becomes a focal point for gatherings, discussions, and community events. 4. Beautifies public spaces. It can turn an ordinary location into a landmark. Public art is an incredible way to experience culture, history, and artistic expression as we navigate through public spaces. Whether you're traveling to a new city or exploring your local neighborhood, keep an eye out for these artistic gems. We hope this video has shed light on the wonderful world of public art. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.